carrot is like on Trimble, you got your guidance point, your little green line. Same thing on here. That's your blade control. Wherever that little carrot's at, that's the surface here you're going to be cutting. So you can see here on my section view, I've got all these red lines. Those are grade transitions. Okay. So what's happening here is I'm actually cutting towards a box, and it kind of tapers in the island between it. It's kind of pain in the butt for, you know, you've got a 10-foot blade or whatever. But as I track down towards it, you'll see those lines will get closer together. But depending on what grade I'm trying to cut, it's real important that I understand where all those grade transitions are, because I get myself in trouble and I can be digging one or the other. So you can move that around, shortcut if you have this screen set up. Just hit move control. It'll move that control to wherever you want on the blade, or you can go into our control menu, blade control, and then you can set it you know, wherever you want on the blade. If you want exactly 2 foot off one side or whatever, you have that ability. I typically just do it on the main screen. Most of the time I run in the middle if I'm just, you know, bolt dozer, you know, not really out trying to cut grade. But you can move that thing all the way out to the tips or however you want to run it. If you hold way down over the side, hold way over to the side here, I'll say move control right, so that'll move it all the way to the right. Same thing on the left side. So to see these red lines, you hit view, you go to display options, working surface. In here, here's your triangle mesh, can be handy. Typically don't turn out. Boundaries can be nice on our 10 surface, which is our surface. Or you can change your contour interval, which is nice. You know, 2 feet's pretty tight. I usually don't go any tighter than 5 feet, but to each their own. But in here in section, which is our view that we got on the bottom, you can see it says show grade transitions. So check that box on, and then you can set it to whatever color you want. But I always run red just because it works for me. You can use whatever color makes sense for you, but that'll turn those lines, toggle them on and off. So that's just a real quick overview of using your carrot and grade transitions, and how it can help you cut in different slopes and whatever else you got going on a project that may be kind of tricky to see. So there you go.